Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you follow me and watch my videos more often, you know that I love stationery. So here I am back with another stationery haul for you guys. This is a Daiso haul. As you all know that Daiso is a dollar store in Korea and the items are between 1000 won to 5000 won. It's very reasonable and let's get started with this stationery haul. Now the first item is this notebook style sticky note. There are different sizes of the sticky note and the color combination, I must say, is very beautiful and pretty. So cute. The next thing I got is this flower sticky note. As you have already seen that I have decorated my planner with this sticky notes. It looks very pretty. Now the next thing is this animal print washi tapes. There are 4 washi tapes and I'm buying it for the second time because I loved these and I've already used these washi tapes in my 2019 planner. So I'm buying it again because it's very pretty and I love it. These are the designs. This is the cat one. This is, I think, dog. And the next one is this cute porcupine one. And the best one is this panda one. Now the next thing is the stickers. This is the pack and these are the designs. There are 3 sheets inside it. Let me open and show you. Look how cute the designs are. Malang Malang Berry. Good luck to you, and I just love these stickers. And her name is Berry. Hello, I'm Berry. The next thing is the stickers cheese. The same thing, only the name previous one was berry and this one is cherry, but the designs are so cute. These are the designs inside this packet. Let me open it. Now these are the designs. Always be happy. So cute the quotes are. The previous one was hello, I'm cherry or berry, and this one is hello, I'm cheese. This one says Malang Malang cheese. And there are hello stickers. Now the next thing is this sketch pens. These are the watercolor pens or sketch pens. There are 50 colors and 2 sets there are, so there are total 100 sketch pens and only for 5000 Korean won. It's very cheap and I think it's a very good deal. Let me open the packet. It's given in a bucket style and look at the colors, so many of them, and only for 5000 Korean won, that is approximately less than $5. Now the next thing is this Polaroid camera washi stickers. I love Polaroid cameras, and after looking this sticker I had to take one. So I bought this. These are the designs inside it. I'll definitely show you how it looks when I'll be sticking it on my planner. There are 100 pieces inside it, so it's a very good deal. Now these are the golden foiled washi tapes. I'm in love with the golden foiled washi tapes, so this was a must buy. So there are 4 washi tapes and only for less than $1 also. So it's a very good deal. These are the designs inside the packet, and I'll be showing you the swatches later in my video. So stay tuned for that. Now the next thing is this memo patterned washi stickers. It is like that Polaroid camera one, and these are the designs inside it. This also I am in love, so I just had to get this one. So this packet also has 100 stickers inside it. It's from the same company. Next thing I bought is the sketchbooks. The size is B5 and there are 100 pages, and the paper quality is very good. It's a high quality sketchbook. Now this one is the same sketchbook in B6 size, a smaller size, and same high quality pages and 100 pages it has got. So these are the 2 sketchbooks. Now the next thing is this rose gold paper clips. This paper clips are very expensive online, but I got this for only 1000 won, and that too 4 pieces of this envelope and 4 pieces of this thumbs up sign. So I got this one. Now the next thing is this simple ruler, which is very useful in my daily planning and everything. So I got this simple ruler. Now this one is a very useful thing. It is a self-adhesive laminating sheets, and I don't know how many times I've bought this one. But still I need to buy this one because I use it very often, so had to get this one. It's very easy to laminate your photographs and different DIYs I've done with this laminating sheets. Now the next thing is this document folder where I keep my notes safe and tidily so that it is not ruined, and it has this clean pouches, 60 pouches where I insert my documents, and it is very good quality as well. So I got these 2 A4 size document folders. Now the next thing is these brush pens, which I got for only 1000 won. The color is black and it's made in Korea, and let me open it. These are the 2 pens, and this is the tip of the pen, pretty sharp. So these are the 2 pens. And lastly, the notebook which I have used for my planning for 2021. This is the spiral notebook, which is B5 in size and has 80 pages. And it is for 2000 Korean won. It's very simple and pretty as well. Now let me show you the inside. It has ruled pages. And quality is not that great, but it is doable. And not a stationery, but I bought this weighing machine because it has this cute design and it's cheap. So I got this weighing machine from Daiso. This is a digital health scale which I got. Now I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.